uthi manje yokuzokhuluma 20 million bahlanya bonke
baphinde bangalwi bodwa bona.
Yeah. How can someone command 20 million with peace? Ngihlezi ngibona uShembe aya entabeni. I don't see police there.
Yeah.
I don't see soldiers. Akunayibhama, akuna next. Akune order. Like order so. Bahlanya.
No.
Yeah?
Elamhlanje ngibulala abahlali.
No, ezinye izinto kumele
sile ukuthi angisakhona ukunyanga ngifuna ukusileya whatever the reason might be. Yakela. Ngabukhulumi kabo kunyanga. So kuze ngenze example ngoSikhotheni is because she's one of the famous people indabeni zokunyanga to uKristu ne. The reason ngenze example ukuthi wase-ZCC is the same thing. Umuntu sekayeka isonto lesiyoni sekakhuluma the way standards inyoka angakaza ayibona azathi wena uyibonile yabona. So ayenzeki kuphela la iZion Christian Church izinto zama betrayers, bitter former members. Simbonile uSikhotheni mina angisabi futhi ngiyakhuluma straight. Lento ayikhulumile ngokunyanga angikaze ngibe inyanga mina. Angi-advocateeli inyanga. Bokuphukuphuku.
Bokubhesha
yeah. Labantu abanikeze imithi
nalaba ama sentiments wakhathini manje uthi into engasekho.
Yeah, uthi into obusathana ngokuya ngayo mina ngimuzwe njalo uyangiunderstanda. uNkulunkulu mkhulu kunamadlozi nobunyanga which is true.
Yes.
But angathi ayikho lento yasekunyangeni and naye wenza njengawo lamaZCC esiwabona athi yeah eZCC bathi azibalumi izinja babalekele isonto ngangicula nami leyo ngoma is what Sikhotheni is doing kimihlayi.
Yeah.
So uthini ngeimpilo zabantu ebekabanikeza imithi ebekabalahlela amathambo phansi ebaphole bebamthengela imoto akusuSikhotheni lo asatrenda ku Facebook ebekakhomba gifts of cars athi my happy client akazibuyisele ke.
Lothi kunjani?
Ngiright big.
Alright.
Amnandi
namhla si2.
Yeah.
Akunama debate angaphili.
Yeah.
Lothi yini wrong that we are not getting. Ngizocala nje nge Nazareth the church than to see I honestly for me now yeah no I don't like the way people I think the people are not being honest abungokubhesha maybe others are doing it for their own selfish reasons I don't know but surely there's something esiyimisayo about ngizocala manje ngoShembe ukuthi like yini le abantu abangafuni ukuyi-understand or it's out of jealousy.
Some it's out of jealousy, some it's out of lack of knowledge. Right? Kunombhalo othi uJesu wayethi makahlika intaba wayeqwalelwa izizwe zizomamela izwi likaNkulunkulu lelo Jesu bekabatshela lona. Shembe is also doing it. Akusukuthi kahle uShembe ozondiwe. Nanoma bokuyimi, nanoma bokuwe. They were gonna act ngalendlela ba-acta ngayo because it is the exact same way ebeba acta ngayo nangale nkathi lezinto zisayenza uJesu Kristu. You understand? Abantu balwa nomoya abalwe nomuntu. Umoya ukaze wamukeleke ebantwini.
Period.
Yeah, that is why iBhayibheli lithi if you friends with the heavens you are an enemy with the world. Mawungakhethwa izulu waba nomoya ingcwele kaNkulunkulu umhlaba ngeke uku-embrace. Ayiqali ngabo Shembe. You understand? And uzongiqolela ukukususa kancane ku topic.
Akunankinga.
There's being spiritual, ne?
Yeah.
And there's also being biblical. But iBhayibheli indaba zikamoya obviously. Uyazi ukuthi if uzofuna ukuba deep biblically spiritual nokulahleka.
Okay.
Because iBhayibheli incwadi yemilando of spiritual people. Kwalotshwa phansi ukuthi this is what Jesus did, this is what he said, Jeremiah and the others. But mistake ngiphendula le question ukuthi yini le wrong esiyenza ya namhlanje ukuthi sifuna ukuba biblical more than being spiritual, forgetting that ukuze le Bible libe khona letho umoya, because zonke izinto ezibhalwa la ezibhalwe lapha zibhalwe abantu bakamoya, nalabo abangabhalanga ababhale ngabo abantu bakamoya ba invented that book. Angazi you understand na so asisakwazi ukukhula emoyeni, asisakwazi ukushaya amanzi avuleke, asisakwazi ukwenza imihlolo ya lezi zinto esizifunda lapha, because thina manje asisekho spiritual, we are deep biblically. If aboMoses bawoshaya amanzi wavuleka, why ningasayenzeki? Sesinqike kuBhayibheli siyekela lo moya.
But angithi iBhayibheli imele kube a guiding tool.
Yeah, it's a guiding tool, but to men it's no longer a guiding tool. Sokunkulunkulu wabantu iBhayibheli liphenduka unkulunkulu wabantu. Bheki intshumayelo ziyafana and it doesn't make sense, because masibantu bamoya kumele kube nendlela uNkulunkulu asikhombisa izinto ngakhona which differs. Ngizokenzela example. uNkulunkulu wawudalelana izulu nomhlaba.
I don't
know. Yes. Kamnandi, right?
Ukuthi representation futhi emhlabeni.
Is that happening?
Okay, bakhona abantu
abayizamayo. It's not happening. I'll make you an explicit example.
It's not happening.
It's not. Makafuna ukuqeda umhlaba. Wayekwatisa ukuthi siyona. Kodwa bathi amehlo wakhe wathi mawahlikela la emhlabeni wathola ukuthi kunendoda ebathu Noah ebekaphila ngendlela eyifuna uyena. Because of uNoah umhlaba wakwazi ukusaveka and he killed everyone. Noah thatha umndeni wakhe nezilwane wazifaka escapeni. Uyakhumbula? Yalungisa leyo nto. Sisamoshana namhlanje. Uyazi ngifuna ukuba spiritual and also ngithathe iBhayibheli as a reference. Uyazi ukuthi injongo kaNkulunkulu kahle kahle mase sikhuluma iqiniso ifailile.
Osho.
And akekho umfundisi ozoyisho lento le ngoba bayasaba abanye.
Ifaile kanjani? uNkulunkulu I think uyayithanda ichaos. Mina ngokubona kwami. Yeah. I think umuntu asumuntu is this divine energy ethanda ukubonakala out of chaos. You understand? I think even this chaotic thing makes
mara kwakungeyona injongo yakhe le. We can't say uyayithanda ichaos if ungasinjongo yakhe. Iphutha elayenza uNkulunkulu njengoba nithakana amaphutha was to create into something mina nawe in his image. Phezu kwaloko ayinikeza amandla ukuthi ibe ne free will. iBhayibheli lithi noNkulunkulu uthi yimi engimele nginikeze impilo, yimi engimele ngibulale. Awukwazi ukuzala bheki. Uyakwazi. Awukwazi ukubulala bheki. Uyakwazi. Izinto bokumele zenze uNkulunkulu ayi-one.
Bekumele zibe exclusive.
Yeah. But today we are able to give birth. We are able to even kill. It's because of science. Wangumfanekiso wakhe sanikezwa ifree will. Iphutha lakhe elikhulu kwakuziyenza yena, because as much as sinenyama yingakangakwazi ukusilawula, iqiniso silikhulume akakwazi ukusilawula uNkulunkulu. Akakwazi ukusilawula.
Uyakwazi because usebenzisa iBhayibheli ukusilawula amasonto.
Bayingakho abalithukayo bangalifuni.
Amasonto enziwe and there are structure sesonto it's biblical. Okay, although noma ba manipulate certain scriptures.
Lo mfundisi oreyibhile esontweni beka under icontrol kaNkulunkulu. Akakwazi ukusilawula because sifana naye
uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uyabona, if he created us not in his image njengeyilwane so.
Yeah, because zona sakhona ukumlalela.
Yeah, and ibhubezi liyaluma but ungakwazi ukulijova ulenze nje isiphukuphuku.
Yeah, no, sengisho nama plans uyabona njoba kuzoba ispring manje azoba
actor
like that.
Mina nawe asinandalo because we are gods with a small alphabet G. Yingako we are always challenging and opposing uNkulunkulu.
Yeah, but maybe that's why ilentozana I mean it were made in his image in any case. So I think that's why maybe ezinye izinto also naye uNkulunkulu also gave Moses the ability to be a god and then Aaron to be a prophet. Also that, but ngisekutheni are we questioning lamasonto lawa who pull big numbers because vele we question the creator ngendlela enza izinto ngakhona.
Yeah ungizwe kahle. It's not about the churches.
Yeah.
Kahle kuliwa noNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Ngayenza example with famous people. Kanye West is a hip hop artist owayithandelo. Mara since he started saying Jesus is my Lord, my Savior.
Kwaba nenkinga.
It's not him they are fighting.
Yeah, ngoba nami ngiyibuza lento like surely there's something abantu abayibonayo. Like ngithathe ngibeke njenge as a politician if abakuvoteli you can't say bayagula abantu. Icabanga abantu abayi 60 million abavoteli wena uyi1 you can't say bayagula. Surely there's something wrong now. So angeke abantu abayi what is the number yeshembe nzithi I think it's somewhere 20 million.
Yeah.
Ngeke abantu abayi 20 million follow
intengeko.
And then when uyi1 or ni 50 ni right nini. We understand?
Yeah, and another typical example angeke ireligion yeChristianity beyinkulu kangaka kungukuthi lo Jesu bathi fiction azange abe khona. It's the most attacked religion. Surely there's something ekhonenzakalayo lapha. No, I agree with you. We understand. Yeah, that's why ngibuza ukuthi there's something we're not getting right. Yeah. About the big churches. Yeah. Especially African big churches. Yeah. There's something we're not getting right. And ukungayitholi kwethu right lento leyo, look where we are as a nation in Africa. Yabona, that's why ngiyibuza ukuthi like you'd find someone speaking I talk neinyanga eziningi and they always make and ngibe specific ukuthi bayeza nabazalwane kuwe. Athi no, instead kuzushembe or athi abayeza abazalwane but kuzushembe neZCC a lot game. It's out of glory ufuna ukubonakala or yini uyabona so ba criticize kanje balwa noNkulunkulu and also one fame in it. Yeah. And abanye it's just ungabi ne understanding ukuthi what is going on because I'm one of those. Yeah. Before ngivuleka ngisho siyavuka. Yeah. What is going on? Yes. Before ngivuka nami ngangitshela ukuthi ayazikho lezi zinto kuyadlalwa uyabona labantu banenyoka uyabona wena bheki ngizokutshela iqiniso if inyoka ka babulkhanyani weZCC iya exista kumampela someone else must have access to it. If ushembe unenyoka iya exista kumampela someone else must have access to it. So ukugcotshwa they are anointed people standa singathanda. Period. Yeah, because itori zabo nazo zabo Jesu ziyafana. I mean bokwabafundisi bebalo no Jesu mongalifunda kahle iBhayibheli. It was never the heathens. No, abaFarisi they had the law of Moses. Yeah. You understand? Yes. So bamtshela ukuthi umthetho uthi baze bathi awuyona indodana kaNkulunkulu wena. Yilezi zinto ebazisho nalaba abasesekhona manje ukuthi but no manje wasezithi siyakusiwa kaNkulunkulu bebasho kuJesu man. You understand? So it goes with the package of being a chosen one. Unfortunately, you'll always be attacked. Yeah. By people who think are chosen. Exactly. Because our attack kwa umuntu oyihlelele taveni
but athekho umuntu ohamba ngeBhayibheli egcoka ijoin or some pastor azenze isermon with. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about. Ukuthi ke asikubona izinto on another dimension. Sekele ukuzibona ngendlela engathi one kanje.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm wrong ngale nto ngizoyikhuluma.
Yeah.
Wena uqala ukuyibona lento osoyikhuluma
no, recently
man.
Yeah, no, but yeah, I think this year
and I'm proud
it
because
makes
you
a
know
lot
why?
of sense, man.
Yeah.
No.
I'm proud because I'm gonna change la kuwe from our first episode. No, I am proud. I don't wanna lie. And that's spiritual growth. Yazi umoya wena bheki awukhuliswa kuphela ukuthi uyafasta. But sometimes kunento ukuthi umuntu mangathi nicoca nor nicocela yavula some senses, spiritual senses engcondweni. I'm proud ukuthi uyayirealize and enye futhi inkinga ekhona it's politics. Bafuna ukuwafaka la kuma religion, you understand, so that masiloku sikhwebana sodwa the elite continue being powerful. I don't know if it makes sense. Yeah, so sisentweni eyi-1 and I'm proud ukuthi namhlanje sikwazi ukukhuluma kanje kube ngazuthi siyavumelana futhi siplanile singaplananga yabona. Kwawena khona abantu abangakufuneli whatever it is that you are doing spiritually. Fana nama TikTok ngakhuluma izinto ezifanayo mara umunye athole 1000 likes. Umunye athole 100k likes mara mothi mamela lezi zinto ziyafana into eyi-1. You understand? So kumele sibone nangathi ukuthi mara if ngangilandela abantu abayi-20 million kulabo makhwelana bamjalo mangesontweni ngiphethe iBhayibheli bathi hey lo usenza ngathi wazi uNkulunkulu. The 3-4 could have been the millions ngokuthi aboshembe nabo babulikhanyana nabo mudisa abo vilakazi beJericho bajajwa ngakhona. So kubhlungu ukubona umuntu ojaja isiphiwe somunye umuntu and uthi uyambheka uthola ukuthi naye unaso and sisesendleleni yokukhula kusasa nasebayenza yena I feel like isiphukuphuka feel like umuntu ongahlakaniphanga ukuthi mara lesa sikhathi ngilokubhizi ngobheki bengazi ukuthi kuzoba yimi namhlanje uyabona thina singena iZCC silithuka sidlala ngamasiyoni sithi bagcoka iporiana yabona le yeah you understand but namhlanje yithi and we understand it sibukeka njengezilimo you understand so ingaki iBhayibheli lithi ungajudge ngoba kwawena awukho perfect.
Kwawena awukho perfect.
Yeah, kwawena awukho perfect.
And angeke like i-judgment yakho
i-change into uNkulunkulu afuna yenze.
Yeah, and ibe ngcono kunabantu abangaka. Asikhulumeni iqiniso.
Yeah, yona
no, asikhulumeni iqiniso without wanting a number. But we have to agree. No, asikhulumeni iqiniso ukuthi no noma sekushiwo ukuthi khona nizwani lothi. What level of comfort do you get from being in these big churches? Surely the leader is ZCC, maybe spiritually uyakwazi, but physically I don't think uyakwazi. But and I don't think ufila ngathi special laphayana uvulelwa ini. But surely there's something elokubuyisa lapha noma maybe uzobona umuntu oyi-1 namhlanje omunye uyamgcina lelo langa lelo but kunalento elokubuyisa kanengi. What level of love do you get esontweni?
More especially ethi ngikhulume ngelami isonto iZCC ne into engishaya ngayo kakhulu mina ukuthi ayina bandlululo.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu orish akekho umuntu ohluphekile masesontweni.
Yeah.
You don't even have to be rich or affording ukuthi uthole ama service wesonto lethu. And also ZCC a psychological church. Yabona?
Okay.
Ke ngicoca istory sami big. Mina mangena lela sonto abantu abaningi bebathi asithi mzala because ngihlushwa imimoya emibi ngapha ngihlelisiwa kaNkuluNkulu. I don't know why I'm being attacked spiritually via izinto zabo voodoo and stuff. ZCC healed me free of charge. Yathi mayiceda ukungipholisa yangipha namandla ukuthi ngiyenze kwabanye phambili. ZCC ukhona ukungena uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe uyicelela imithandazo yezandla uyathengisa eshop or whatever uyithola uthengisa nomuntu oyiminister noma oyinto enkulu umkhulume like normal people. Kusasa umbone TV we understand the equality elapha akunakuthi ubani uyini ubani akasiyini and ayikho into emnandi njengokuba sesontweni elipholisayo bheki because uNkulunkulu is a God of healing. Angazi kusuke kenzakalani kwamanye amaZion Christian church members if mhlambe anenkinga noma gula ayithole seka ufuna usizo elsewhere outside Zion Christian church because yayikhona lento leyo and healing into ngeke ungene ulwethu uyithenge. You understand? So lela sonto lisinikeza uNkulunkulu mananoma ungafuna ukulijikela wenzeni angeke ulunge but inkinga yabantu ibayi1 la kunoNkulunkulu esikhathini esiningi indaba zeimali nani uNkulunkulu akanandaba nazo lezo zinto but kuba ibonus makathandile akunikeze yabona. So a lot of people but nabangenile maybe ba suffer financially they start doing zona lezi zinto zokuyibhesha for likes, for trying to better their lives, you understand? Because I've seen many podcasts abantu bakhuluma the way lisonto laka Satan ngakhona and convincing people ukuthi I was one of them, I know.
That's what I'm against.
Yeah.
I can take umuntu ongakaze waya and speak whatever. But I have a problem nomuntu osuka whether it's Shembe, Jericho, or Mdise, or St. John's, and then agapume abe atheist, upuma into another faith system, and then at le enguyu iyo ke manje hayi la ngisuka khona. I don't respect such characters.
Yeah, and because ZCC is the largest in the continent, akuba ngazuthi lezehlekalo lezi zenzeka ZCC kuphela. I saw ugogo Sikhotheni aku podcast abhesha ubunyanga kabuhlungu kabi. That's immaturity. Nesizulu ubuphuku. Mawubona ngazuthi into yakuhlula yeke uqale entsha ungayikhulumi kabi
uyithulele.
Yeah, bathina abantu uSikhotheni beka abanikeza imithi maseka khuluma songo bunyanga. And uma ufuna ukubona ukuthi kuyadlalwa angisho uma usiza umuntu yakubhadala abantu ebasiza uSikhotheni ngemithi kumele ngabe bamcashela inkabi ukuthi beka lo kasidlala sonke lesikhathi. So ukhona ukubona ukuthi it's just immaturity
spiritual.
Yeah, ufile ukuthi angisakhona ubunyanga ngifuna ukusileya whatever the reason might be. Yakela ungabukhulumi kabo ubunyanga. So kuze ngenze example ngoSikhotheni is because she's one of the famous people indabeni zobunyanga to ubuKristu ne. The reason ngenze example ukuthi kwase ZCC is the same thing. Umuntu sekayeka isonto lesiyoni sekakhuluma the way standards inyoka angakaza ayibona azathi wena uyibonile yabona. So ayenzeki kuphela la iZion Christian Church izinto zama betrayers, bitter former members. Simbonile uSikhotheni mina angisabi futhi ngiyakhuluma straight. Lento ayikhulumile ngobunyanga angikaze ngibe inyanga mina. Angadvocatele inyanga. Bokuphuku.
Bokubhesha ubunyanga.
Yeah. labantu abanikeze imithi nalabantu
ama sentiments wakhe athini manje uthi access into engasekho
ya uthi into yobusathane ngokuya ngaye mina ngimuzwe njalo uyangiunderstanda uNkulunkulu mkhulu kunamadlozi nobunyango which is true
yes.
But angathi ayikho lento yasebunyangeni and naye wenza njengawo lamazethisi esiwabona athi ya ezethisi bathi azibalumi izinja babalekele esontweni ngangicula nami leyo ngoma is what Skhotheni is doing kimihlayi
yeah
so uthini ngeimpilo zabantu ebekabanikeza imithi ebekabalahlela amathambo phansi ebaphole bebamthengela imoto akusuSkhotheni lo asatrenda ku Facebook ebekakhomba gifts of cars athi my happy client akazibuyisele ke amtshela ukuthi bhuti kahle leyanto leya bozovela uyithole le moto ubunyanga bukho angisho ukuthi abukho you understand so abantu kwasemjolweni niyathandana nithemizana izulu nomhlaba mase nihlukana sakutshela ukuthi ubheka unepipi elincane hey ubheka akakwazi ukuyenza embedeni you understand so ikhona nala endabeni kamoya
bathandi balumedintsha
yeah barathi balumedintsha yona ikhona leyo ngoma
ukuthi nize nibuye vele le ngoma iculelwa lokho noma necula nje for
let me explain it is not about joy it's more like saying le bandla lihlulwa ilutho you understand
okay
bangalunga amabhubezi bayenzeni mabeze la kuyophela konke
okay it's the other way kahle okay
yabona adibalume dimpya bachabele Siyoni kusho ukuthi Moses Siyoni amasiyoni ayithembe ngalendlela ukuthi noma aba doctor bathu selenga 7 days uyashona bangazama ukumconvince uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi
yeah
yoketsa amatsathi yabo phila
ne
so ngibone lo baba omdala ende mina ibabhlungu into mangibona abadala kanje bakhuluma izinto eziso ngiyayibuza ukuthi emakwabo kenzakalani uyabona baba omdala uhleli ku podcast ukhuluma lezi zinto ayikhulumayo ibhlungu because kumele sibonele kibo you understand that is why angesikhuluma amagama kunomunye futhi nayo baba uthanda ukubhesha ushembe kakhulu omzalwane ohamba le podcast ka Gift azathuka inhlamba athuka intanga yakhe ehleli nabantwana so asadinga ukumamela into ayizwayo uyasikhomba ukuthi uyinhloboni kaPende because if ngizothi ngimdala kuwe ungibona njengobaba bese ngithuka intanga yami phambi kwakho mara ngithi ngino Jesu ayisayenzi sense automatically by just looking at what's happening here we understand so batho ba tisenula mara go ya ka bona ba bona o kare ba expose modimo ka pa dikereke mara batho ba tisenula
into engisho ukuthi like benga into benga understand uyabona if it was two parties like this
yeah
this one is saying this one is also saying but the other one is quiet nje still from labo futhi we must think right we must think right
yeah
no asibe honest
yeah no namhlanje angikhasa wena lokuhlatshwa ngemimesa uhlabi bheke
awuhlabi bheke and ulwelani yini lo ilwelayo yini le odistepeka kuyi uPaul bekalwa nabo Diana because uDiana was fighting against abo Paul you understand no one is fighting anyone out of boredom ukubhoreka nje and then bese
and into ebhlungu baby I'm sorry because you are my brother as well uyabona akusukuthi ngiyanibhesha uyabona iyaba khona ibeef kaMbhoro noBushiri basebenzisa imethod eyi1 babazalwane bonke but to these African Christian churches ezibheshiwa kabhlungu kanje akaze kube nebeef yeIPCC neZCC akaze kube nebeef yamaNazareth namaJericho akaze futhi kube nala ubishop weIPCC akhulume kabi ngobishop weZCC. But laba abaloku bathi gasathane la phumani lapho balwa babodwa baphinde balwe nanathi abana peace mara they always saying peace be unto you. Angazwe ngiunderstand na. So bazoyizwa but still bazofuna ukuyibracketa because yazi umoya omubi mawukumbathile bheki. Sometimes kumele uthi mawuthandaza nawe uyithandazise ukuthi lo moya omubi kaSathane ungiyeke because sometimes ukwazi ukungena umoya kaSathane ungaziboni. You understand? Uyakungena umoya kaSathane uyenza izinto zaSathane mara wena uyitshela ukuthi usendleleni right.
Kona lokho kusuka ezweni nje.
You understand?
Udile nemuntu.
Yeah.
Imele ucala ukubona lapho ukuthi unless asiphikisane scripturally ke as decide that route. But nje yokuzokhuluma 20 million bahlanya bonke
baphinde bangalwi bodwa bona.
Yeah. How can someone command 20 million with peace? Ngihlezi ngibona uShembe aya entabeni. I don't see police there.
Yeah.
I don't see soldiers. Akuna ibhama akuna next. Makune order.
Yeah.
Like order so. Bahlanya.
No.
Yeah?
Elamhlanje ngumbulala abahlanye.
No, ezinye izinto mele mele siyibheke ukuthi yazini nena hayi. Noma ngabe kwenzakalani.
And it's just that vele sifakwele engqondo ukuthi ukuba rich khambelana nobusathane wathi and I always argue leyo ndaba ukuthi mara masizothu umuntu orishi shuthi izinto zakaSathane shuthi sithi uNkulunkulu akana ma power wokuyenza abantu rich. The reason I'm saying this is because labo Patrice Motsepe, Cyril Ramaphosa, your late Nelson Mandela's
late Mangosuthu Buthelezi
ubone bangena kaShembe aqhawula uShembe isandla athi ngizocela imithandazo umbona ngene eZCC ubabone bahamba lama IPCC okusho ukuthi bayiphukuphuku loku kuyinkosi kwama president kithi ohlakaniphile yimi lo hleli la ku podcast ngingaziwa umuntu engwazi bana lenoga bathandaza inyoka guys ya no nangeke bezokulay shoot angeke
wena wena
yeah
hlakanipha ukudlula uMandela FW de Klerk the late umntwana kaphinda ngene abo Jacob Zuma they are still going to queue to all these churches
yimi kuphela ono Jesu noNkulunkulu weqiniso nina nilahlekile amagama shuthi yimi kuphela
uwe kuphela nje ono Jesu
le 20 million le likes no mara nginokubona kuma comments kancane bayaguquka abanye yabona kunomunye isisi ungilande private bangiscreenshothela ama comments beka comment wathi angithi ngiyongena esontweni la kabani la ngikhona ngiyahlala mara phinde bhuti mina ungibone ngiqheka elinye isonto and through la mashooting wayenzayo I've learned a lot and ayikho into ekwazi ukuphaphamisa abantu njengamazwi kancane bheki bazos understand njengoba ngijabula ukubona nawe namhlanje understand uyabona and I always knew ukuthi uzo understand because angisho ukuthi nawuhleli nabantu uyasenza uze ukuthi inkohlakalo noma ukufuna ukwazi last ngiposte kakhulu la ku status sami siloku sishuta ngikhohlwe nje ne caption ebengifuna ukuyishaya ukuthi best una very good interviewing skills very good and continue doing this Makai it has to take you somewhere yeah it's a must you understand ubu leader uzalwa nabo bheki and ufakazi bendaba bokuthi you are indeed a leader you are open to correction or ukuboniswa inkosi yakaZulu hayi lo manje man ubabakhe ne
Yeah.
bombona umbhekile ukuthi Bhubezi le mara wayekhona ukuya kuBoshembe for advices. Takes a leader to do that. That is why ngithi now I'm proud ukuthi awusabheshi man, you see reason ukuthi man ubu leader lobo. Umuntu ecabanga ukuthi uright njengabo Julius Malema kuyo yonke into ungiqolela is your favorite. Unasi isiphiwo sobu leader, but you can't always be right.
Yeah.
Kunala kumele uyabona
And sometimes even now that part lento le like go nation yonke ithi ine issue about illegal immigration. And then
wena ufuna uku-oppose.
Asithi ke right, but at least akubona izinto ngendlela yalabantu abazibona ngayo. We understand. The same here ukuthi let's say you're right. Let's say you know the scriptures. Let's say uNkulunkulu uyakufikela ezakufikela. But it can't be with so many people. And then when you see like they have joy, they by enjoy laphayana, by ekosheni the whole night, and abezi ba complain, they still go to work, abanye ngisebenza nabo, their lectures, their what like no, come on.
Yeah, beyavuka lo Zayoni bakho kanye.
Yeah.
No,
I mean like come on, and they raise serious points ukuthi ukhona wangilanda nje for sure uzoyibona lento ukuthi yazibheki mina esontweni lami lele nginokuzwa nikhuluma ngalo. I'm not squeezed ngemali as emasontweni wenu you are squeezed. Uyabona? And I know amasonto wethu they have their reasons ukuthi we managing isonto, maybe we're building this and that, or for the running of isonto, but kwelami isonto I'm nothing, I'm not squeezed, no one is here with this money. Understand? So I just wanted to talk about that ukuthi
Yes, indaba kaNkulunkulu deep wena big. I know a lot of people bazo argue ngale things zoyisho manje. Ngisho nanoma kungathiwa usebenza nawo wonke ama brand athengisa imoto. Bakuthembisa ukuthi sicala isonto. Makubhabhathisa umuntu simuphi imoto. Lingagcwala obviously, but lingakumangaza lingawandluli wona lawa, because some will be like, I can't go get baptized just to get a car. No. You understand? So, iumoya njengoba usho akusukuthi umZCC noma umNazareth noma umpostula mawufika lapha ngeviki soba neolo praying ukuthi singagcwala kangaka lapha kunoNkulunkulu.
Into emele idlule everything
kunoNkulunkulu.
Yeah, like hiyo into emele ihambe phambili ukuthi whoever is in me abe satisfied.
Exactly.
Then khane ngithi ngisesontweni angeke ngibe esontweni and umuntu wangaphakathi angabe right. So yeah, bekuyiloko nje bengithi no
and most of the time last Sunday ngacala ngavakashela elinye isonto lepostoli ne before ngiyakwelami. I don't know if lela sonto lepostoli bengivakashela it was that day or every day, but ngitshela ngento engayibona angizwa ngalentshumayelo leyo kugabisa nokuphakamisa kakhulu izinto zasemhlabeni. And abantu mabathembisa izinto zasemhlabeni bheki kumele bakulandele ngobuningi. Lamasonto lawa wesintu lawa ungavakasha angeke uyithole lento kuloku give me your purse, let me pray for it for mali. Azikho lezo zinto lezo. Instead bakutshela ukuthi ungayithandi imali uzufile nawe ngazuthi laba ngathi kahle basithanda sihlupheka, you know, but kugcwele ushuthi khona umuntu othanda inhlupheko bheki. Intshumayelo zamasonto esintu mangazimamela ngendlebe yenyama not gamoya ungacabanga ukuthi they are promoting poverty because bakutshela ukuthi it's God over everything baze bathi usikaya katsale fast asisilo mawuthi uyabheka ndoda leso sikhathi ushiye endlini ifridge igcwele amanzi bakutshela ngezelfast uyeka understand mathi kugcwaliswa yini uNkulunkulu bheki and now la western amasonto ukhona uNkulunkulu akukho la ngekho khona
it's just I think banokuhluleka sometimes abafowethu ukumrealize because attention ayikho kuye ukwabona mawugijima and you are looking at your opponent you are not looking at your race you end up ungafiki lapha but your opponent iloke I think attention is diverted yabona and even nabantu who are in the industry I know it pulls a lot of numbers to say Shembase this
uzotrend
yabona uzotrenda and for some reason YouTube yenze whatever but like no ubuwena ke in that you leave these cameras
ungcolele ukukhuluma igama la Gift Street ukuthi angisho sahluleka ukuhlangana uGift kunalama interview yakhona athi yena wayegcuka intambo bathi le ntambo iwumoya noma umkhulu wakhe wathi athathi lezo zinto lezo busathane you don't need ropes what la kuwe ukuthi uthandaza uNkulunkulu mara bheku aware ukuthi amasonto wesintu agcoka exactly the way iBhayibheli lichaza the way abomushe aboJesu bebagcoka ngakhona phela lithi iBhayibheli Jesus Christ was wearing a robe and a gown all the days of his life uyezethi zomthola umuntu wesimama kunerobe unyana ifasile postula kubo labo shembe mara emasontweni waphuluso ayitayi nje ni formally which is not wrong but it is wrong for someone obuya kulelo bandla azothi mofake isession egown imimoya emibi mara mafunda iBhayibheli lithi uJesu beyagcoka kanjani I mean Jeremiah
not uJesu
makalaya icomplain uthi uNkulunkulu khipha lesesho ifake la uyifaka phansi kwelitshe afuna ukumenzela umzekelo ukuthi izitha zakho zifudumele la zikhona but after a certain time hambo ikhipha isagcokeki wela phansi bokweyani le sesho lapha ku Jeremiah but thina mangizovela mina manje fasi seshinyana ngegown yami straya lapha shaya ikhuphu evil spirits sure I understand so kunabantu abalahlekile ebayitshela ukuthi basendleleni and umuntu onjalo ngeke umvimbe eyojike ekudeni loyamuntu because usure ukuthi la ngikhona kusendaweni eright ngani zonithinta nendaba yamakhandlela ikhona indaba yezibani eBhayibhelini even incenses they talk about it ukuthi burn incense in the altar whatever mara and Roman Catholic churches you go there baze bawambiswa ama incense ba dry sonto never attack that because umlungu loya isonto lingahlalwa phansi linhle kumele balihloniphe but come to ZCC go to an apostolic church uthole bashisa some incense there uzozizwa inkulumo
amebathi ukuthi niyana semifuleni yabona ethusayo ani ema lake yabona yabona kube boye lake la kunamadada manje nyi waterfall egreen
babona kahle ukuthi
bese lo muntu uyasonta futhi
yeah no that's true
uyabona
that's true lento ikhuluma ingikhumbuza enye comment ebe ngipost ivideo esishude la omunye uthi aneke nje kuloku nithi nithandaza uNkulunkulu nithandaza imimoya emibi kaSathane that's why nihamba intaba nemifula ngafuna ukuyiphendula but uzomamela mhlambe la kanti uJesu nabazomthatha bomcrucify beyangaceda ukuhlika intaba and futhi angabuyi kothandaza
agethe man
mara mayenza ulothiva fethu it's devilish
bathi yagcina ngoJesu
Ah.
yagcina ngoJesu
No. It
ukuya
can't be.
eintabeni.
Remember, being a Christian, we are simply saying we are Christ, like sambeing yatholeni zika Jesu. So masenza izinto uJesu bekazenza, that's being a real Christian.
And more.
Yeah.
Lisho njalo iBhayibheli
Yeah.
lithi sharp when you follow Christ you must be able to even do more than what he did.
Exactly.
If bekavula impumputha ngaso wena ke shuthe wena omela ufaka amehlo.
Yeah.
Yeah, lisho
Yeah,
njalo.
no, it's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah,
It's
so ngeke yonke into ufuna ukuyiverify and then uphelele lapho. Ungafuni ukuchubeka ukuthi but there's this open room yokuthi you I don't think yabona the minute into exploit umuntu that's when we can say
That's
it's
a
wrong.
problem. Yeah.
Uyabona the minute ngisa umntwana esontweni ubuya pregnant, raped, wakasaya esikolweni or but kududuzelwa isikolo. Kududuzelwa marriage, kududuzelwa order.
Thiwa ningafebi.
Yeah.
Mara bathi into akasathane still. Khona
Ujatshuliswa yini lo Sathane? Usathane ujatshuliswa umshado. Isikolo. Ukungafebi. Ukhona ke uSathane.
No, I'm very much proud.
Ezinye ziyafuna
Yeah.
sibhekisane and remember the whole point is to get the truth.
Enjani lenyoka kaShembe nenyoka ka Lekhanyane nabomudisa le ebatshela ukuthi batshela abantu babo bangafebi.
Yeah.
Inyoka enjani leyo?
Enjani? Because sazi ukuthi thina uSathane udriver emanyaleni.
Yeah, we understand.
Kunamanyala khona. Ila athanda khona, ila athanda ukudwela khona. But no.
Isithwalo esitshela abantu ukuthi ningabuthinti utshwala angisho bathi bathwele lesithwalo sabo sicisha ukufana noNkulunkulu
Utshwala buthinto.
yeah so ukuthi bathi ningaphuzi
Akuna ukuthi no you can drink it but you don't get it.
yeah but don't at all
But don't at all.
bese lesithwalo sabo vele singaze sifuna ukuthi abalandeli baba bangaphuzi ngoba phela makuphuziwe kenzeka yonke into ethandwa uSathane uyabona ukuthi ayina sense mara into engichazayo ukuthi into kaNkulunkulu ayikho into engayiwisa kwayona le social media leyo ukuthi kuba nama influencer abawasponsораyo ukuthi attack this attack that dala zenzeka lezi mina ngikhule ngazi ukuthi ezethi sibathi badla inhloko zabantu
Awonke umuntu. Nami ngazi kanjalo.
yazi ngathi mangingenelela sonto ngayibuza ukuthi boyongifuna nini
inhloko yakhe iyahamba ke.
You understand
Inhloko-
because
inhloko-
uSathane ufuna uku-instilla ifear ukuthi abantu bangasondeli eduzane noNkulunkulu.
And umuntu enye into na that party khona futhi uthola ukuthi for sure iCoke nokuyithenga yasemakuleni nokuyithenga I taste njenge Coke. Does the Coca-Cola produce fake?
No.
Ileyo Coke eyi-1 oyiphuzile. So I can't say angehethwe that one person and ngimbone afake ibadge or angashefi anehluthu kuumuntu waseshembo and then ngithi uyazine bengilungiswa but namhlanje ushembe wonke uyabhetha just because of one person.
And even today look at how civilized our conversation is from two different churches ezilwa now and then.
Yes.
You understand it is people amasonto awanankinga
Amasonto
or else
awanankinga.
bekumele siqale nje siloku siyaphikisana
Over what?
so inkinga lekhukhu yasemakuleni nabanye
Inkinga ileyo Coke leyo.
yeah,
Uyabona ileyo Coke leyo eyi1 and then umuntu enza ijudgment. Ngabantu abangazi next. Baziyele emasontweni abantu abakwenzanga next. But wena social media all over social media
phezulwa nawo
ufaka the whole picture yabantu abangakwazi abangeke baze bakwazi futhi for some reason when for whatever you want to achieve. Is that maturity?
No, it's not. It's not. And akumelanga sisabu ukulikhuluma iqiniso ngoba bathi blessed are those abazobulawela iqiniso unokuthi uqamba amanga bese uyaphila ufana nomuntu ufile iqiniso kumele silibeke straight singalishuka coat if kunomZCC manje umpostoli okhuluma iZCC kabi lamapostoli asonta naye babe careful ngachange noma kunini
nanoma yini
uyabona ngenze iexample ngogogo lo ya ne angachange noma kunini la khona they must be careful
that's the thing
yeah
akangathola enye ife akaba imuslim
yeah uyo change manje nalapha bayafana nala ngibuya khona uyabona umuntu ongazazi ukuthi umephi but uyinkinga thina siyazazi ukuthi simephi mina the day ngizoyekela iZCC mhlambe ngiyobe ngiqale lami ibandla and ngathanda ukuthi iZCC inginikeza ama blessings
nakhona
ngiphume
nakhona ukuqala ibandla it can't be at the expense yes
ukuthi manje kumele ngilwe nabo manje
ijeni yakho separate I'm sure even the founder ayizange ya founder isonto from birth yasonta somewhere
kwamahlangu kupostoli
exactly kwaba ukuthi no kahle kahle mina ngibizelwe uyanganda and even today uyizwa mawulandelela ukuthi oh okay ngathi kunelisuthu khona kunani nani but asinto lokuyizwa nga whoever lokakhuluma ukuthi hayi nala sasuka khona hey bekwenziwani isuccess yakho cannot be
and mawufuna ukubona ukuthi ukuba namagquku kulimaza wena mnikazi more especially amagquku unnecessary ifounder yethu yeZion Christian Church yaphuma epostoli eyisaphethe ubaba uMahlangu azange athi maqala iZCC abheshe Mahlangu yakhula iZCC yaphinde it gave birth to IPCC umuntu isemaphuma iZCC azange abheshe iZCC mara simangala thina umuntu onesontonyana lakhe lomkhukhunyana labantu abayi10 inyana a day okay qala lapho lengakhula athi ashumayele abantwini abayi10 ngumZCC mina badlala ngami badlala ngesiphiwo sami bangibona ukuthi nginamandla ngipholisa mahala izinto kumele ngabe zikhuluma bomndise lezo
ubona uba
because uthi ukuphuma esontweni leZCC abanesizwe sinye esiningi nayo but thina siyaphapha sithanda ukuzenza ngathi strong man umuntu uyeke iZCC uyothwasanyana onayizangoma ngane ezi3 ayithwasisa sekade yena iZCC beyidlala ngamandla wakhe ndoda kunabo mudisa bala is the third largest church in the continent after yakashembe he has never said that mara kokhuluma omunye umuntu esekafaka ama-beats ngoba isonto lesiyoni limhlulile ukuthi yena isiyoni wasted his time unamandla yena unamandla mara awabonakali la besiwabonayo amandla abayikhulumi lezo zinto
uhlulwe ibranch asinesonto lonke ibranch eyi1 sekathi the whole faith system it's wrong no right nabanye and encourage even ngathi abantu base caging akunamuntu oboshiwe when uyazazi istory mina ngizazi when uyazazi istory zakashembe izethu kamdise mina ngizazi kama mfela ngazi nje iduku iroko nokuthi kuyashadwa into engingayi nokuthi akuphuzwa ke into enzima for abantu abaningi but istory nje zokuthi bayahlukumezwa benzani angizazi mina lezo istory lezo so yini lengake kuphushela ukuthi uzohlala emakhamereni and encourage abantu ukuthi phumani
maybe bazospend
phumani uNkulunkulu uthi batshele ukuthi phumani
baphume bayephi ngoba basinikeza nanama option
beze la ukhona
awu
beze aniphathi maBhayibheli eChurch ngoba yenye into ekhulunywayo ukuthi aniphathi maBhayibheli
ya le shoot ifuna ishayele icaption engenzima
bathi aniphathi maBhayibheli
anesiyapha
mina ngiyababona abantu bafaka ikhakhi baphatha amaBhayibheli yokuthi bayawafunda or what now angikwazi mawuliphethe
baze bathi asikhulumi ngalo baphinde futhi bathi neingoma zethu azikhulumi ngoJesu eziningi ingoma ekhuluma ngoJesu
asikhulumi ngoJesu kanjani
like bathi masicula ngoJesu
ngicula ngobani
bathi sicula ngoBishop wethu kuphela uJesu asimfaki.
But can we prove ukuthi uBishop is not aligned noJesu? Nah. Maybe enye into we need to start there. And if the answer is no, does it matter ukuthi sicula sithini? Because yonke into esiyenzayo la by osho ngamanye amagama that way that Christian is
silifake lapho ukuthi sikhohlisa abantu ngokuya ngabe. I understand the reason why is Zion Christian Church. Lo Christian simfake lapha sifihle ngaye ngokuya ngabo. I mean even the name itself yayikhuluma ukuthi sibo sima Christ mara kusese nomuntu movela umzethi athi yena I'm Christian. No, I don't want to talk about that, but we are Zion Christian church members.
Into engisho ukuthi like
uyazithini iBhayibheli?
We have to be honest. I'm not before ufike eBhayibhelini. Okay, I maybe ema branchini kwenzeka somehow, I don't know. But from what I see or from now whoever you can see kuba nama National Day of Prayer. There's a Bible there that is being read.
Phambi kwamakhamera
enabotolika I think by 3 Xhosa Pedi 3 uzudineke ukuthi uqeda nini kusezo womXhosa futhi utoliki abuyele futhi that scripture futhi kuzo womXhosa kuzo womZulu kuzo eliphi la iBhayibheli yena lo baba lomshoyo ikuphi la lingafundwa khona ke
you understand angisho kwalona le Bible yasho lithi ubuphukuphuku abunankambi. There's no cure for foolishness. Abanye nje ubulima isilima angeke usipholise ukuthi isilima. I understand because right now uceda ukupinpointa izinto ezisimple. Umuntu ahlale so ku podcast yala masonto wesinto akuvulwa iBhayibheli but National Day Prayer.
And it's the head.
Babhekile TV so.
And it's the head.
And against umnikazi.
Yeah.
Lapha kusumfundisi wasebranchini ke.
Yeah,
but still bathasilifundi.
Yeah.
I make sense.
Umnikazi nginto engisho ngithi umnikazi okay what do you have to say ke on that ke ukuthi oh yeah ufunda Old Testament.
Hayi bazothi.
Izoya lapho phela
ukuthi it's on cameras. Angisho yawazi ukuthi ufela kunento kumele bayikhuluma. It's trying to convince the people, you know. Kunzima ukuba umuntu okhethiwe bheki. Kwawena uso ukhethiwe kunama challenge ohlangabezana nawo alingana nawe. So imagine ke ushembe. Ushembe uthi udlelele kwakho so uya trend ungayenzanga video. So khona okhulume ngayo wathi uyihlele
ekamereni lo muntu
uhlele emakamera
usujulukile Nkosi yami and deal with
wena
you
wakho nomndeni wakho
awumazi
uma ngalama phone call ayengene bathi so yamanga sengiyatrenda madoda ngishutanga ndawo ngihlelela
but
so inkinga
inkinga enkulu le hayi no
so mara mina 100% sure yabona le shoot le izowina inhliziyo zabantu abaningi. Asithi come to ZCC is a postola hamongena kaShembe. No, we are all Christians. Asithanda nini njengoba ishilo masaqala Africa inama resources, minerals, everything la. But we are the poor. Continent ethi poor. Mhlambe masingake si understand ukuthi njengoba umzalwane ngumZCC sithandaza uNkulunkulu oyi1 sithanda nini sekelo kulo will become the continent rich esiyona lento ukuthi kuzoshipwa ama first great bananas to Queen Elizabeth eEurope le thina la eSouth Africa singawazi abuya la maybe ngaphela bafit because this is the real Canaan
and ezinye izinto sishayiwe spiritual lama colonizer lawo asiphethe spiritual asicale da ngiyakutshela awungathi uyayibheka asicale da spiritual and then bazongenelela lama system wabo la uyishedu nje la basicale nje spiritual yokus blind side nje ukuthi focus kulento lezi zenu zoloke nilwa nodwa
last ngibona uQueen Mujaji uhleli esitulweni sobukhosihadi mara isitulo seplanka and lo umuntu wayebiza imvula ini but Queen Elizabeth hlala kwesinye isitulo nothiyasibona na ukuthi le gold le nabanginikeza yona ngeke usahlupheka wenzeni Elizabeth kahle spiritually ngasimangasa uyabona so asibeni careful umzalwane umpostolo yini sibantwana bakaNkulunkulu oyi1 asithandaneni sithandazisaneni sipush indaba yokuthi icontinent ethu ibe right sizasabantu abamnyama sibe right asiyekeleni kuba ile iphukuphuku leze bafika abayithola zidla any meat ebebayifuna then babanikeza ibhili abamkhulu wethu babalimaza bafethu as-change bafethu
nenye into yazi kumele si accept ukuthi kunabantu ababona uNkulunkulu ngenye dimension uyabona I think when we get there there's no Mark or denounce Luke or Jeremiah who denounces Zachariah wayeme ngapha wabona uNkulunkulu nalo ume ngapha ubona uNkulunkulu na into esenzeka namhlanje le that's why kunamasonto amaningi to answer umuntu lokathi why kunamasonto angaka no it's positions of seeing God and bam describe ngalendlela le so enye into emeli respect le ukuthi is the subject lekukhulunywa ngayo thiwa yikho na if no but I know ayizethi sithi uNkulunkulu akekho I can take that ke but if bathu khona but thina simbona ngalendlela now uthi ukhona umbona ngekeyboard now uthi ukhona ngimbona ngehluthu or ngentshebo ngani indlela engimbona iposition enguyo engimbona ngayo that's what I wanted us to talk about ukuthi we need to grow up be mature
and Haaland is good with scoring unexpected kwesinye isikhathi uMessi uyalithatha ibhola from a center ulifaka eboxini
exactly
nala ku spirituality kunjalo if bekuyayinisa imvula mina nginawo lawo mandla doesn't mean kunento oedithe ngayo uphiwe kanjalo you understand so asi understandeni bantwana bakaNkulunkulu bantwana bakaNkulunkulu oyi1 sizoyishumayela indaba ukuthi asithandaneni from different churches and beliefs uNkulunkulu oyi1
until the next episode
Hi, baby.
I'm so proud.